Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to view your YouTube history in 2025. Whether you're trying to revisit that awesome tutorial or just curious about your watch patterns, this quick guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're signed into your YouTube account. If you're not, head over to youtube.com or open the app and log in with your Google credentials. This is key because your history is tied to your account. Once you're logged in, on the web version, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for History and click on it. Boom! You'll see a list of all the videos you've watched recently. It's that straightforward. If you're using the YouTube app on your phone or tablet, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the History option. Tap it, and there you go. Your full viewing history at your fingertips. In 2025, YouTube has made this even smoother with enhanced search filters, so you can sort by date, watch time, or even topic. A quick tip: if your history isn't showing up, double-check your privacy settings. Go to Settings, Privacy and Location in the app, or under your profile on the web, and ensure that history tracking is enabled. Remember, YouTube might have slight updates, but these steps should work across devices. Viewing your history isn't just about nostalgia. It's great for discovering patterns in what you watch and even managing your recommendations. If you want to clear your history, just look for the Clear All Watch History button while you're in there. Use it wisely. There you have it, folks. You've now mastered viewing your YouTube history in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.